About the Ticket Factory. The Ticket Factory is a company that sells tickets. The company was founded in 1970 under the name NEC Box Office. In 1998 they launched their first number of online ticket sales. The name The Ticket Factory was not used until 2007. They are the official box office for the LG Arena and the National Indoor Arena. They sell tickets to concerts like Paul Weller, Billy Ocean and Sam Bailey, Melanie C, Chris de Burgh and Bruno Mars. But you can also find tickets for theater shows like Lord of the Dance. And for family shows like Disney on Ice, Cirque du Soleil and WWE Live. And they also sell tickets to sports events, exhibitions, comedy shows and festivals. Services of the Ticket Factory. You can easily book your tickets online. You only need to create an account and select the tickets to the performance or event that you want to go to. They will deliver your ticket right to your door. A special service of the Ticket Factory is that they are the first company that makes online booking available to disabled customers. For this service, they work together with Access Card. If you encounter any problems or have any questions, you can contact them. On their website you can find a telephone number that you can call to and an email address you can write to. Complaints, compliments and tips for the Ticket Factory. Have you already purchased a ticket at the Ticket Factory once or maybe even multiple times? In that case, you might be able to share with us your experience. Did your ticket arrive in time for the event, or was it delivered only after the event was already over? And what did the Ticket Factory do when you could not make it to the theater show? Or when you have a complaint because your ticket turned out to be not valid? Let us know by leaving a customer review with your experience, opinion and rating. Also tell us whether you would consider buying at the Ticket Factory again. Your review can help others decide whether the Ticket Factory is safe, reliable and dependable. What do customers think about this ticket retailer for sports events, festivals, theater shows, comedy performances, exhibitions etc.? Read customer reviews. Reviews the Ticket Factory. If you want to go out for a day or an evening, for instance to a performance, event, theater show, exhibition or festival, you will need a ticket to be able to enter. The Ticket Factory is one of the many places that you can go to in order to obtain tickets. But are they reliable? Can you trust them to actually deliver your tickets? Will your tickets be on time? And even more important, will your ticket be valid? Their website will not tell you about these things, but other customers can. Read therefore the customer reviews that they have left for you with their experience, opinion, rating and more. Let their review inform you on how things at the Ticket Factory really work. Their reviews can help you to decide whether you would like to buy your ticket on the Ticket Factory or would rather go someplace else. Visit britonviews.co.uk and leave your honest review about the Ticket Factory.